If you are looking for data mining software, then you may be in the right place today. This video will compare KNIME as well as Orange. We're going to put them head to head. We're going to see what options they offer you and how they can actually benefit you. So without further ado, let's check them out. All right, so we're looking at KNIME now. So KNIME is a modular data mining platform. It offers a powerful visual approach to data science with its very intuitive drag and drop interface for building data pipelines. The platform also includes hundreds of pre-built modules covering everything from basic ETL operations to advanced statistics and text analysis. With its JDBC support, KNIME seamlessly connects to virtually any database system, making it a highly versatile system for enterprise environments. Its disk-based architecture enables analysis of massive data sets exceeding 300 million records without performance degradation. It also has some integrations and extensibility, so it is an open ecosystem, so it seamlessly integrates with popular ML libraries, including Weka, Keras, H2O.ai, Spark, R, and Python. It also has plug-in architecture, so it's extendable via specialized plugins for text mining, image processing, network analysis, and a whole bunch more. It also directly wraps and executes external Java, Python, and R code within workflows. Its distributed processing capabilities via KNIME server also enables teams to tackle computationally intensive tasks across multiple machines, making it a suitable option for enterprise-scale data science operations. You can also see over here that some of their additional features and their applications include pharmaceutical research and drug discovery, customer relationship management analysis, financial modeling and risk assessment, and also robotic process automation. Some of the enterprise capabilities include cloud deployment options, big data integrations, batch execution for scheduled workflows, and team collaboration features. It's actually established itself as a reliable platform for production-grade machine learning models and repeatable data pipelines across any industry. All right, we're looking at Orange now, and we're talking about the software, the user-friendly data science software, not the fruit or the color. So Orange actually offers exceptionally user-friendly approach to data science with its visual workflow editor, which is specifically designed for ease of use and educational purposes. Its interface prioritizes simplicity without sacrificing any analytical power. The platform also excels at rapid prototyping through its pre-built widgets covering classification, clustering, and visualization tasks. With its in-memory processing, Orange also delivers efficient performance for a small to medium-sized dataset. One of Orange's key advantages is that it actually requires no coding for a standard machine learning analysis. It also makes it a lot more accessible, in this case, to non-programmers or beginners. Okay, so let's have a look at their teaching and their exploration. So it is widely adopted in university settings for teaching fundamental machine learning concepts as well as techniques. It provides immediate visual results and comprehensive model evaluation tools with their simplified cross-validation, and it has extensive learning resources and tutorials which make it ideal for self-teaching data science concepts. It is primarily designed as a desktop-based single-user application. This focused approach means that it doesn't actually require complex servers or cloud infrastructure. It makes it perfect for individual researchers, students, educators, or anybody that is in need of quick insights without the IT overhead. You can see now some example use cases for the Orange application is data science education. So university courses are using Orange to demonstrate clustering and classification methods with immediate visual feedback. Also, small business analytics. So rapid prototyping of predictive models on retail datasets by business analysts without actually having any programming expertise. If you are looking for some software to really change up your game, Orange might just be the option for you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. A comparison right here, a brutal, honest comparison, highlighting all of the best features and benefits from all of the software that you've just seen. Now, if this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we will see you next time.